ABBR, abbreviated or abbreviation. ABBR, abbreviated or abbreviation. ADJ, adjective or adjourned or adjustment. ADJ, adjective or adjourned or adjustment. ADVT, advertisement. ADVT, advertisement. AM, anti-meridian or before noon. AM, anti-meridian or before noon. AMT, amount. AMT, amount. ANS, answer. ANS, answer. APR, April. APR, April. AUG, August. AUG, August. BA, Bachelor of Arts. BA, Bachelor of Arts. BBC, British Broadcasting Corporation. BBC, British Broadcasting Corporation. BC, Before Christ. BC, Before Christ. BCom, Bachelor of Commerce. BCom, Bachelor of Commerce. BSc, Bachelor of Science. BSc, Bachelor of Science. BP, blood pressure. BP, blood pressure. BOAC, British Overseas Airways Corporation. BOAC, British Overseas Airways Corporation. CAPT, capt, captain. CAPT, cap, captain. CF, confer or compare. CF, confer or compare. CHAP, chap, chapter. CHAP, chap, chapter. CHQ, check. CHQ, check. CID, Criminal Investigation Department. CID, Criminal Investigation Department. CM, centimeter or centimeters. CM, centimeter or centimeters. CO, company. CO, company. C/O, care of. C/O, care of. CP, compare. CP, compare. D, dollar. D, dollar. DEC, December. DEC, December. DEG, degree or degrees. DEG, degree or degrees. DFT, draft. DFT, draft. DICT, dictionary. DICT, dictionary. DIS, discount or discover. DIS, discount or discover. DLIT, Doctor of Literature. DLIT, Doctor of Literature. DLO, Dead Letter Office. DLO, Dead Letter Office. DO, Ditto. DO, Ditto. DPhil, Doctor of Philosophy. DPhil, Doctor of Philosophy. DPT, Department. DPT, Department. DR, Debtor or Doctor. DR, Debtor or Doctor. DC, Direct Current or Deputy Commissioner. DC, Direct Current or Deputy Commissioner. E, East or English. E, East or English. E and OE, errors and omissions accepted. E and OE, errors and omissions accepted. ED, editor. ED, editor. ENG, England. ENG, England. ENGR, engineer. ENGR, engineer. ESP, especially. ESP, especially. ESQ or ESQR, square. ESQ or ESQR, square. EST, established. EST, established. ET, English translation. ET, English translation. ETC, etc. or and the other. ETC, etc. or and the other. EX, example. EX, example. F or FAHR, Fahrenheit. F or FAHR, Fahrenheit. F, following. F, following. FAM, fam, family. FAM, fam, family. FEB, Feb, February. FEB, Feb, February. FEM, fem, feminine. FEM, fem, feminine. Double F, folios, in plural. Following, in plural. Double F, folios, in plural. Following, in plural. FIG, fig, figure. FIG, fig, figure. FOR, free on rail. FOR, free on rail. FT, foot or feet or fort. FT, foot or feet or fort. G, gram. G, gram. GAZ, gaz, gazette or gazetteer. GAZ, gaz, gazette or gazetteer. GEN, gen, general. GEN, gen, general. GEN, gender. GEN, gen, gender. GPO, general post office. GPO, general post office. GR, Greek. GR, Greek. H, hydrogen. H, hydrogen. H or HR, hour. H or HR, hour. HON, on, honorable. HON, on, honorable. HQ, headquarters. HQ, headquarters. IA, Indian Army. IA, Indian Army. IB, IBID or IBDM or in the same place. IB, IBID or IBDM or in the same place. ID, idem or the same. ID, idem or the same. IE, id est or that is. IE, id est or that is. IG, Inspector General. IG, Inspector General. INST, instant or the present month. INST, instant or the present month. INT, interest or interior interpreter. INST, interest or interior interpreter. Intro or introd, introduction. Intro or introd, introduction. INV, invoice. INV, invoice. ITAL, ital, italic. ITAL, ital, italic. J, judge or justice. J, judge or justice. JAN, Jan, January. JAN, Jan, January. JUNC, junk, junction. JUNC, junk, junction. KC, kilocycle. KC, kilocycle. KG, kilogram. KG, kilogram. KM, kilometer. KM, kilometer. KW, kilowatts. KW, kilowatts. LAT, lat, Latin. LAT, lat, Latin. LAT, small l, latitude. Small l, LAT, latitude. Lab, laboratory. Lab, laboratory. LANG, lang, language. LANG, lang, language. LB, libra or pound. LB, libra or pound. LT, lieutenant. LT, lieutenant. LT, GEN, lieutenant general. LT, GEN, lieutenant general. LTD, limited. LTD, limited. LTD, GOV, lieutenant governor. LTD, GOV, lieutenant governor. MAG, mag, magazine. MAG, mag, magazine. MAJ, maj, major. MAJ, maj, major. MAR, mar, march. MAR, mar, march. MARG, marge, margin or marginal. MARG, marge, margin or marginal. MAS, mass or MASC, mask, masculine. MAS, mass or MASC, mask, masculine. MB, medicine baccalaureus or bachelor of medicine. MB, medicine baccalaureus or bachelor of medicine. MD, medicinae doctor or doctor of medicine. MD, medicinae doctor or doctor of medicine. MED, med, medical or medicine or medieval. MED, med, medical or medicine or medieval. Measures, in French, monsieur or chars, used as plural of Mr. Measures, in French, monsieur or chars, used as plural of Mr. MIN, minimum or minute. MIN, min, minimum or minute. MISC, miscellaneous. MISC, miscellaneous. ML, milliliter. ML, milliliter. MLA, member of legislative assembly. MLA, member of legislative assembly. MLC, member of legislative council. MLC, member of legislative council. MM, millimeter or millimeters. MM, millimeter or millimeters. MO, medical officer. MO, medical officer. MORN, morn, morning. MORN, morn, morning. MP, member of parliament. MP, member of parliament. MPH, miles per hour. MPH, miles per hour. MR, Mr, master or mister. MR, master or mister. MRS, mistress. MRS, mistress. MS, manuscript or manuscripts or master of surgery. MS, manuscript or manuscripts or master of surgery. MTH, month. MTH, month. Capital N, north or northern. Capital N, north or northern. Small n, name or noun. Small n, name or noun. Capital NB or small nb. Nota bene or note well or take notice. Capital NB or small nb. Nota bene or note well or take notice. ND, no date or not dated. ND, no date or not dated. NEG, neg, negative. NEG, neg, negative. Capital NO or small no. In numerology, in number. Capital NO or small no. In numerology, in number. Capital NOS or small nos, numbers, used as plural. Capital NOS or small nos, numbers, used as plural. NOV, November. NOV, November. O, oxygen. O, oxygen. OB, obituary or diet. OB, obituary or diet. OBJ, object or objective. OBJ, object or objective. OCT, October. OCT, October. OFF, official. OFF, off, official. OK, one correct or all correct. OK, one correct or all correct. OP, out of print. OP, out of print. OPP, up, opposite. OPP, up, opposite. ORD, order, ordinary or ordinance. ORD, order, ordinary or ordinance. OZ, ounce or ounces. OZ, ounce or ounces. P, page or pp page, plural. P, page or pp page, in plural. PC, postcard. PC, postcard. Percent, per centum or by the hundred. Percent, per centum or by the hundred. PhD, Doctor of Philosophy. PhD, Doctor of Philosophy. PLU or PLUR, plural. PLU or PLUR, plural. PM, post meridiem or afternoon. PM, post meridiem or afternoon. PO, post office. PO, post office. PT, physical training. PT, physical training. PTO, please turn over. PTO, please turn over. PWD, Public Works Department. PWD, Public Works Department. Capital Q, full stop, query or question. Capital Q, full stop, query or question. Capital Q, Q, capital Q, Q. QR, quarter. QR, quarter. QT, quantity. RD, road. RD, road. RE, rupee. RE, rupee. RECD, received. RECD, received. RECPT, receipt. RECPT, receipt. REF, reference. REF, reference. REP, representative or report or reporter. REP, representative or report or reporter. RETD, retired or returned. RETD, retired or returned. REGT, regiment. REGT, regiment. RS, rupees. RS, rupees. RSVP, in French, répondez s'il vous plaît or reply if you please. RSVP, in French, répondez s'il vous plaît or reply if you please. S, south or seconds. S, south or seconds. SA or sat, Saturday. SA or sat, Saturday. SC, small capital. SC, small capital. SD, sine die or without a day. SD, sine die or without a day. SEATO, Southeast Asia Treaty Organization. SEATO, Southeast Asia Treaty Organization. ACC or ACCY, Secretary. ACC or ACCY, Secretary. ACC, second. ACC, second. ACP or ACPT, September. SEP or SEPT, September. SIG, signature. SIG, signature. SING, singular. SING, singular. Capital SQ or small SQ, square. Capital SQ or small SQ, square. Capital ST, street. capital ST, street, small st, stone, small st, stone, SUB or SUBJ, subject, SUB or SUBJ, subject, TB, tuberculosis, TB, tuberculosis, tech, 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 technical or technology, TECH, tech, technical or technology, TEL, tel, telegraph, TEL, tel, telegraph, TO, turn over, TO, turn over, TR, translator or transpose, TR, translator or transpose, TV, television, TV, television, USA, United States of America, USA, United States of America, USSR, Union of Soviet Socialist Republics, USSR, Union of Soviet Socialist Republics, U, uranium or universal, U, uranium or universal, UDC, upper division clerk, UDC, upper division clerk, UK, United Kingdom, UK, United Kingdom, UP, United Provinces or Uttar Pradesh, UP, United Provinces or Uttar Pradesh, VS, versus or against, VS, versus or against, VB, verb, VB, verb, VID, vid, vide or see, VID, vid, vide or see, VIZ, Vij, videlicet or namely, VIZ, Vij, videlicet or namely, VIP, very important person, VIP, very important person, VP, vice president, VP, vice president, VT, verb transitive, VT, verb transitive, W, west, W, west, WED, wed, Wednesday, WED, wed, Wednesday, WEF, with effect from, WEF, with effect from, WF, wrong found, WF, wrong found, WHO, World Health Organization, WHO, World Health Organization, WT, wait, WT, wait, X, numeral for 10, X, numeral for 10, S or XT, Christ, S or XT, Christ, XM or Xmas, Christmas, XM or Xmas, Christmas, Y or YR, year, Y or YR, year, YMCA, Young Men's Christian Association, YMCA, Young Men's Christian Association, YWCA, Young Women's Christian Association, YWCA, Young Women's Christian Association, ZN, zinc, ZN, zinc, ampersand or and, et or and, ampersand or and, et or and.